In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a primary page in Facebook Business Manager. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to the Facebook business page that is connected to the business you want to manage. This is important because you need to be working from the correct page and business environment before making any changes. After that, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Meta Business Suite. This will open the main dashboard where you can manage your business tools, settings, and connected assets. If Facebook asks you to choose a business portfolio, go ahead and select the correct one for the business you are working on. Make sure you choose the right portfolio so the change applies to the correct business account. Once you are inside Meta Business Suite, move to the sidebar and scroll down until you see Settings. Click on it to open the Business Settings area. This section contains the controls for your business profile, pages, permissions, and other important account details. Inside the Settings area, find Business Portfolio Settings. From there, click on Business Info. This page shows the main information associated with your business portfolio. You will see the current business details displayed on the screen. Next, look for the Edit option next to your business information and click it. This will allow you to make changes to the existing details. In the field labeled Primary Page, type or paste the full Facebook page URL for the page you want to set as your primary page. Be sure to enter the complete and correct page link so Facebook can identify the exact page you want to use. After entering the page URL, review it quickly to make sure there are no mistakes. Then click Save to apply the update. Facebook will process the change and assign that page as the primary page for your business portfolio. Once the save is complete, your new primary page should be set. It is a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and confirm that the updated information appears correctly in your business settings. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.